Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 17. Oboimasu, memorize. Wasurimasu, forget. Nakushimasu, lose. Reporto o dashimasu, hand in a report. Haraimasu, pay. Kaishimasu, give back, return. Dikakimasu, go out. Nogimasu, take off clothes, etc. Motekimasu, take something along. Mottekimasu, bring something along. Shinpai shimasu, worry. Zangyo shimasu, work overtime. Shūchū shimasu, go on a business trip. Kusuri o nomimasu, take medicine. Oforo ni hairimasu, take a bath. Taisetsu, important, precious. Daijoubu, all right, it's okay. Abunai, dangerous. Mondai, question, problem, trouble. Kotai, answer. Kenen, no smoking. Kenko o Kenshu, health insurance card. Kaze, cold, flu. Netsu, fever. Byoki, illness, disease. Kosori, medicine. Oforo, bath. Owage, jacket, outerwear. Shitage, underwear. Sensei, doctor or teacher. Nisanichi, a few days. Nisan, a few. Madene, before, by. Deskara, therefore, so. Do shimashita ka? What's the matter? Gaitai desu. I have a pain in my nodo, throat. Odaiji ni, take care of yourself. Get well soon. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub. Mata ne!